Hello. In this video, you will see the another second part of the functions. Previous video, we'll see the what is the function, how to define the function, and how to call the function, and how to pass the arguments or parameters, and how to return the parameters. And we'll we have seen all those things previous video. Uh, Please watch before that video. Watching this video. Now we'll see in this video function, argument label, and parameter names. We'll check it out. We'll check it out how to do argument label with parameter names. Okay. Uh, we'll write the program. We'll understand clearly. I'm opening the Xcode. I don't want to do all those stuff. I'm just commenting this. No need all those things. Okay. I'm declaring the one function, calculate interest. Again, I'm doing the calculate interest function. I'm declaring return type as well as parameters. Okay, I'm declaring this is the function. I'm taking principal in int. Sorry, need to integer is a capital, I is a capital letter, int, time is int. Okay, rate, I'm taking the r, parameter name, I'm taking the r. I don't want to take rate, all the stuff. You can take any name, no problem. This is user defined name. This is the data type. I'm taking three parameters from the caller or user. I'm returning up to now I don't want to return anything here. I'm calling this function. What is this? Calculate interest. We'll check it out. We need to pass the three values. I'm passing the 1000 rupees. Time is 5 months. Rate of interest is 2 rupees. Okay, our concept is function with argument label. Look at here. Each function parameter has both an argument label and a parameter name. Argument label is used to when calling the function. Each argument is written in the function. Each argument is written in the function call with argument label before it. What is the main use of the argument label? The use of the argument label allows a function be declared in expressive way. Understand what is the argument label? What is the use of argument label? Express and clear indication about the parameters. What it is clearly. That is the reason you should declare the argument labels. This is a parameter name actually, but I don't know what it is. P is P. I don't understand. That is the reason you should declare the argument label. I am declaring the principal. This is the principal. This is called the argument label. I am taking time. Here I am taking rate. Okay, look at here. When you declare the argument label, this is the argument label, this is the parameter name. But at that time of calling, you can't use the parameter names. You should use the argument labels. Look at here. I'm calling. It will show clearly. Calculate. What is this? Principal. Previously, we are using the P, but when you declare the argument label, you need to use the argument label at the time of calling the function. I'm taking 10. I'm giving 10,000 rupees, and time is 12 months. And sorry, I'm giving the 2 rupees. Look it here. At that time of function calling, you should give the argument label, but don't give this parameter PTR. If you give, it will get an error. But at the time of calculating, or at the time of doing the task, you should use inside the function, because of this will be copied into this P, not principal. This value this value inside the P, this value inside the T, the rate is inside the R. So here you need to use the parameter names only. Don't give the argument label here. when you will give the argument label at the time of calling only, but here you should use the parameter names only. Print res, we'll check, we'll run it, what will happen? Okay, you should give the, you need to give the space between the argument label and parameter label. Look at here, it will be executed, I will get an output, I can get an output, but you need to use the parameter inside the functions. You need to for calculations or any other task, you need to use the parameters only. Don't use the this principal. If you use this principal inside this block, what will happen? We'll check. I don't compiler don't understand. Okay, but it can be used at the time of calling only. That is the argument label. What is the use of argument label? It's tell clearly what it is. That is expressive way. Okay, this is the what is this concept? Function with argument labels. What is the concept? Functions with argument labels. You can declare the parameters with argument label. Clearly you can say that you can declare the parameters using the argument label, but I don't want to give the argument label this all the stuff. We'll check this. I am calling this function. I'm copying this function, I'm giving the 2. I don't want to call here. Okay, this is the second. I am taking the another function, but I am giving the just 2 only. I didn't change anything. I would like to keep underscore. What is the use of underscore here before instead of argument label? You can avoid the, look at here, calculate. Sorry, we are calling the this function. Okay, I'm commenting this. We'll get a problem. Okay, only we have one function, that is calculate. Now I am calling this function. We'll check it out. Actually we didn't specify any argument label, but we specified the parameters. You can use the parameter inside, but I am giving 5000. You need to understand here, because I didn't give the any argument label and any parameter name. You can avoid the argument label and as well as the parameter name when you can give the underscore instead of the argument label. You can avoid the uh, parameter names as well as arguments name at that time of the function calling. Understand what I am trying to tell you? If you use the, if you don't use the argument label, you need to give the parameter name at the time of calling. If you use the argument label, you need to give the argument label and parameter name you should use inside the function. But I didn't give the argument label, but instead of argument label I given the underscore. So then no need to give the any parameter name or any argument label. That is the use of the underscore here. Understand what I am trying to tell you? Okay, this is the this is function parameter with argument label. Okay, this is a very important concept. Function parameter with argument label. Okay, we'll